Okay, here's some weirdness here. 20s, could be trash. Mixed signal here. Huh. Well, let's go dig it up. 23s, could be good. Or it could be junk. Let's see. Okay. I think I moved it already. Okay. I see something. Can't quite get a good view of it, but there it is. Okay. Piece of foily trash stuff. There was that one, but then I heard another target. So let's see. Here we go. Okay, so that's the pole right there. But there's something right here. Right there, 52, 57. And I'm getting a solid double return even though I've got that metal deal there. So that's certainly something we got to look at. And so far I haven't really found too much stuff lately because I've been cooped up inside. All right, I thought I saw something with all this snow and rain, or sleet and snow, but now we got a break in the action, so I'm out here. And coming down at night definitely makes things easier because then you get the whole place to yourself. All right, what do we got here? I kicked up something maybe. Let's see. It's still there. Holy cow. Thought I had kicked it up earlier. I think it's a nickel. No, it's a penny. Wow. Huh, it's a penny. I was thinking it was going to be a nickel for a moment. All right. Good to know. Okay, so that one was near this metal deal, but I was able to pick it up because I got that good double return. But I thought I heard something. Yeah, here we go. Something else here still. So let's go check that out. It could be trash also. We'll find out here in a moment. Yeah, it's down there. About maybe 3 inches down. Not too deep. All right. I think I see it. Can't tell. Is that it? That can't be it. No? All right, here we go. Yeah, the other thing's just a piece of paper or something. Or tape. This one's acting more like a potential nickel or trash. Like maybe a pull tab. Pull tab or nickel? What can it be? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I was right. It's either going to be a pull tab or a nickel. Nice. Got a nickel. That counts. Nickel. Right there. All right. 30s is usually like that. And then the 20s is going to be hit or miss. Because, 20s could be foil, pull tab or something. Or it could be a ring. Okay, here's another mixed signal one. That one might be something I got to investigate. Let's try. It's down there. Okay. Yep. Certainly got to love the pinpointer. Okay. Okay, I may have kicked it out. Let's grab the machine here and confirm it. Yeah, I kicked it out. Looks like it's over here.